So, very, very clear signal coming out from the NCP's top leadership. Praful Patel over there saying that the committee that was formed to essentially look into the resignation of Sharad Pawar has rejected his resignation and that he must continue for the term that he was elected to. So, we'll have to wait and watch for how this really pans out. Now, whether this goes back to Sharad Pawar and he has to essentially say, yes, I'm going to continue till at least my term ends as president or not. It's a lot of it is left in the open. Let's in fact touch base with Alisha, who will perhaps be able to demystify this for us a little more. Alisha, so what we know so far is that the committee has rejected Sharad Pawar's resignation, and Praful Patel over there making it very clear that they would like him to remain for the term that he's being elected. How do you think this is going to translate, and what are the reactions likely to be from Ajit Pawar in particular? Because if you remember, at the time that he had announced his resignation, Ajit Pawar had come out and said that I think Sharad Pawar will not reconsider his decision.
Well, Nupur, it will be very interesting to see, because here is the committee has already decided and they have rejected the resignation of Sharad Pawar, and rather the fact they are also going to meet Sharad Pawar later in a day. And we heard Praful Patel clearly mentioning that the decision that we have taken is that we are not ready to accept the resignation of Sharad Pawar is what has been told, and the same message will be given to Sharad Pawar. They will go and meet. So here we have been seeing right outside the celebration, outside the NCP office. We'll also speak to them. Committee ने जहाँ पर ये decide किया है, committee ने decide किया है कि शरद पवार का जो resolution है,
कंफर्म हो गया, वही अध्यक्ष रहेंगे और ये मान्य हो गया कि शरद पवार ही रहेंगे।
एक तरफ डिसीजन जो है वो अब शरद पवार का
एक तरफ से सब लोग के अनुमति से हुआ है।
This was the decision and the sentiment, as we also heard Praful Patel clearly saying that it is a sentiment not only of the senior leader of the NCP but across the nation. We'll continue to show you the visuals outside the NCP office, where there are celebration right after the decision that has been given by committee, saying that there is only one decision that has been taken unanimously, where all of them have equally decided to reject the resignation of Sharad Pawar, and the same message will be conveyed to Sharad Pawar.
Now, Alisha, do you think that this would essentially strengthen Sharad Pawar's position? Because do remember, right before, we saw this resignation happening at that book launch, it was very sudden. There were rumblings within the NCP. There was talk of the party essentially splitting. But with all of this, do you now think that Sharad Pawar's position within the party and also, the message that needed to go out perhaps to other people within the party is very, very clear?
Well, the same message was given on 2nd May itself when Sharad Pawar has resigned as the NCP chief. It was the first that we were saying about the same, that it's a clear message that has been given by Sharad Pawar itself, and now the people, the worker, the sentiment itself has given a strong message to all the leader of the NCP, because there was some of the speculation that was going around whether Ajit Pawar along with some MLAs is going to join the other party. But now, right after the resignation of Sharad Pawar, it's been 4 days when the workers have been continuously protesting. They are requesting Sharad Pawar to continue as the chief of the party. He should continue, he should remain the president of the party. And the same message, it's not only from Sharad Pawar but across Maharashtra is what we are saying. Because today the workers and the leaders who are present outside the NCP office today and continuously protesting, they are across a district which has reached today to convey the message to Sharad Pawar, saying that he should reconsider his decision. And when the committee was formed, it was about the people who were continuously saying that they should say. We will also speak to them. एक तरफ ये डिसीजन को किस तरीके से देखते हैं, क्योंकि कमेटी ने साफ तौर पर बोल दिया है कि जो रेजिग्नेशन शरद पवार ने दिया है उसको वो नामंजूर करते हैं।
इस डिसीजन को पूरा देश सराहनीय कर रहा है और हमारे जैसे कार्यकर्ता, हम तमाम लोग हमारे जो कमेटी मेंबर्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, हमारे जो नेता यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, उन्हें हम मुबारकबाद पेश करते हैं कि शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब को सिर्फ इन कार्यकर्ताओं की जरूरत नहीं है, बल्कि हमारे साहब की जरूरत पूरे देश को है। और अगर देश को चलाना है तो शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब महाराष्ट्र के नहीं बल्कि वो देश के नेता है।
लेकिन शरद पवार ने भी एक तरफ से काफी साफ कह दिया था कि एक नए चेहरे को एक मौका मिलना चाहिए, इसके वजह से उन्होंने पार्टी के हित के लिए उन्होंने ये डिसीजन लिया।
जब तक साहब हैं, जब तक हमारे जैसे कार्यकर्ताओं की, हम तमाम लोगों की एक ही मांग है कि शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब ही हमारे अध्यक्ष रहेंगे, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष रहेंगे। बाकी जो नेतृत्व है, नेतृत्व भी हमारे नेता हैं, वो सब भी देश को चलाने में रोल अदा करेंगे, लेकिन शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब का रोल कोई अदा नहीं कर सकता।
ये भी कह सकते हैं कि आज जो कार्यकर्ताओं की ओर से लगातार मांग की जा रही थी, ये कहीं ना कहीं पर एक दबाव उस जो कमेटी बैठी है उन पर, और इसके बाद
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। बहुत से लोग शरद चंद्र जी पवार साहब को चाहते हैं, वही राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बने रहे, यही सबकी मांग है और उनके मार्गदर्शन में ही पक्ष आगे चले, यही हमारी राय है सबकी।
So this is the sentiment and what the visuals that we have been continuously seeing and speaking to the people, clearly mentioning that they want only Sharad Pawar as the leader, as the chief of the party. They are not ready to accept any other face, because that is something being mentioned, whether it is Sharad Pawar or whether it is Ajit Pawar. We heard the even statement on the same day when Sharad Pawar resigned from his post, where Ajit Pawar has also mentioned that there are some new face has to be given, because considering the age and the health issues of Sharad Pawar, this is where the Sharad Pawar has taken a decision to resign from the post and give someone else a new chance about
Right.
it. We'll also speak to the women कार्यकर्तास who have been present here. आज कमेटी ने जो निर्णय लिया है उसको लेकर आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं, क्योंकि कमेटी ने शरद पवार जी का रेजिग्नेशन को ही नामंजूर किया है।
जी हाँ, हम सब लोग कार्यकर्ता बहुत खुश हैं। हमारे लिए दिवाली है ये, क्योंकि जो कार्यकर्ता की मांगनी थी, जो हम लोग की जो ये थी, इसके लिए सब लोग दूर दूर से आए। हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं कि पवार साहब हमारे अध्यक्ष रहेंगे और उनके नेतृत्व में हम लोग काम करेंगे। हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं।
इस अध्यक्ष पद पे शरद पवार के अलावा कोई और देख नहीं सकते?
नहीं, अभी तो फिलहाल हम पवार साहब के सामने किसी को नहीं देख सकते, क्योंकि पवार साहब को देख के हम लोग सब कार्यकर्ते, छोटे छोटे कार्यकर्ते भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और उन्हीं के सामने हम लोग सीखे हैं, आगे जाएंगे और उनके नेतृत्व में हमें आगे जाना है।
आज जहाँ तक देख रहे हैं कमेटी ने साफ तौर पर एक आखिरी जो शरद पवार को भी इसके बारे में बताना है, अगर वो निर्णय नहीं बदलते अपना, तो किस तरीके की कमेटी देखी जाएगी?
नहीं, हम तो ये सब लोग इस्तीफा देंगे, इतना ही हम कर सकते हैं।